Hey Sujit, so this summer it's very hot and it's been very difficult to water our plants daily and to keep it alive. Do you have any suggestions or tips on how we can use it optimally or reduce the water usage?
So here's a simple trick which I follow. One thing is on mulching. So before summer season there will be, that is winter season in the month of December, January, February. All the leaves would have shed. So instead of wasting those leaves, what I do is I mulch them. I use it as a mulch, a layer of dried leaves on my pots. So what this does is it avoids direct contact between the soil and the sun rays, and it acts as a barrier for the evaporation of water. So it keeps the moisture in the container or your pots and thus preventing water loss. And this helps me reduce or optimally use water content. I water only once in a day, and that is sufficient for all my plants. You can see how it has been, and that is what I do. And if you found this video interesting, that you can use dry leaves as mulching, that is very good fertilizer also, then do share this video with your friends and follow Biotechmaali for more such gardening tips.